Okay.
Let's dig it.
Ganto ka muna.
Dito ka, oh.
Ganto ka muna, kuya. Kuya. Daddy, ganto, oh. Kami.
Picture muna tayo. Birthday, MJ. Ayan, picture tayo. Sige, click niya mo kitang kino yung
White.
mag-picture yung kanto. Bala mo na yun.
Yung white.
Dapat mag
Unboxing.
Next
Wow.
picture. Dito ka, dito tayo.
Oh, Angel, tingin dito, Angel.
Tingin ka sa camera sa Apple.
Apple, okay.
Okay, video mo. Open the gift.
Kuya, you say like this. Unboxing. Ah. Gana, gana. Wow, it's my
What's that?
You like it?
No, for baby.
Ah, for babies yan. O, share mo kay Xavier na. Baby, ito yung basura.
Next. Next.
Yan si Daddy mo. Tawag mo.
Ayan,
Daddy Mon.
Oh, another one.
yeah.
Okay.
Dig it.
Read mo muna. Kanino galing?
Wala eh.
Wala. For mommy.
Sabi lang, AJ. Ay, yung ano.
What's that?
Dessert.
Wow, pamburakay.
The Boracay.
O, suot mo like
Let me
this.
see. Open mo, open.
You wear like this. Wow, pamburakay.
Sir.
Anong tatak?
Hollister.
Hollister
From Mami Jessel to. And Tito Buboy. Ma, pamburakay ko. O, sabihin mo. Say thank you, Mami Jessel.
Thank you, Mommy.
Sir, from California. Next,
Next.
what's this?
Next gift.
Anong tatak?
Dry fit.
Nike.
Next,
Ate, soap eh.
O, yan kanina galing yun.
Read
Papa.
mo, read. Wow. Read mo.
Lee, uli yung ano.
Almond.
Wow.
Ano yung naman ng almond?
Oh,
Yung pakita mo sa kami.
dami.
Mukha mo sa nila. Sige.
Wow.
Luto na ng ano.
Again, another one.
Next, uy, gusto niya yung malaki.
Ayan.
Until the party popper.
Adidas.
Open mo.
Alam ko na. Alam ko na to.
Oh, dito open here. Pull mo, pull.
Oh.
Mike, gusto mo ito.
Open mo.
Open mo.
Open mo. Open here.
Dito, dito.
Not
Dito,
right
dito.
here. Wait lang.
Ba't naka-mask ka, Sophie?
Oo. Mag-ponytail na.
Ganda-ganda na.
Oh, ano yan yung open?
Ano yun mo?
Cool.
Wide. Wide.
Oh, AJ, read. Read mo muna.
Are you ready for Boracay? Happy 12th birthday, Kuya AJ. We love you.
Wow.
O, try mo. Try.
Slippers.
Try.
Let's go.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
O yan.
Wow, ganda.
Next.
Pareho tayo, AJ.
Ay, yung naka-red na baba.
Oh, yung red na bag. Next.
red bag.
O, suot mo yun.
Uy, suot ko na yung
Ano ka
bagong
nga
slippers
quality
mo.
na? Pinipicture siya.
Oh,
Wala mo na.
Siya siyang pabuksan mo.
Wow. Okay.
Ha? Padagol to ko.
There's open.
Siya magbukas.
Kuya, this one daw.
Sakto lang mo.
Yes,
Yeah! What's that?
Great.
Oh, for Ma. Kiss mo si Ma. Say thank you.
This one. Paano to
Binigay sa
Read mo. Kanino galing?
Kanino galing daw?
From?
Ay!
Read mo raw, read.
From Sophie yan?
Wow. That.
What's that? You like it?
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
like cars.
O, next.
Thank you, Sophie.
Next.
Yan, candy.
Candy.
Candy. Come here.
Dongo candy.
Towel.
Tuwalya.
Wow!
Hindi same color with your shirt.
Pwede yung pang towel ni Chris sa bura.
Oo, pang swimming lahat, no?
Next.
What's that? Wow, dami naman. Next. Gagamitin pa ni Mayan. What's that? Huh? What's that? What's that, AJ?
Sticker.
Sophie, tabi ka doon kay Bea sa likod. What's that? What's that, AJ?
Ano yun, Bea?
You like it? Do you like it?
Kang saver natin.
Next.
Read mo from Mommy Jessel.
Read mo muna, read.
What's that?
Papel.
You like it? Oh, next.
Wala na, Di.
No more na? Ayun, last one.
The last one.
The last one. Here's another damit.
Wow! Finish na?
Sukat mo. Iyan
Wala
mo.
nang gifts?
Ipit mo.
Oh, put it sa trash.
Paano yung...
Where's the alpabasa?
There.
Saan?
The bibong vocabulary.
Asan? Bibong bokabularyo yan? Oh.
Oh, Bea, may gift si Bea sa'yo.
Oh, there's the final gift.
Final.
Wow!
Let's open the last one.
Pinakamahirap yan. What's that?
The bibong vocabulary.
Yay! You like it?
Okay, Ma.
Request mo yan eh. Do you like it? What's that? Bea?
Ayan, Jane.
Braha?
Are you happy? Huh? I found it, no?
Ano na sa ID ko?
I found
Puro mo
it.
si Xavier na.
A, B, C, D, E.
Is that right? Ano yan? What's that?
The bibong vocabulary.
Kakalat mo ba yan? Ha? Huwag mong mimix up.
Wait lang. Ay, pabasa, right?
Are you happy na, EJ?
Mommy, Santa.
Ay, oo, okay, ma. From Ima.
Like it?
Yeah.
Ice cream.
O, show mo kay mami yung alphabasa flashcards. Wow.
Yes, I like it. Uba.
You like it?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
O, use your alphabasa na.
Yeah, no more tablet.
No more tablet. O, dito, picture muna kita, alphabasa. Show mo sa akin.